How to add Baby Doge Coin on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add Baby Doge Coin on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, you can see the icon for plus, tap on it, and tap on search bar and search for Baby Doge Coin. In order to add Baby Doge Coin on MetaMask application, just check this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import, click on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Baby Doge Coin will be added on MetaMask application, and that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Baby Doge Coin on MetaMask. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.